Bonjour, aujourd'hui on va faire Bix, aka fried dumpling, aka floats, aka Johnny cakes. We're going to I'll be making some Bix, and for that you're going to need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have half a teaspoon of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you can use white sugar if you feel like it. I just rather brown sugar. I have a tablespoon here of baking powder. I have 4 teaspoons of vegetable shortening, and I have 2 cups of water and some yeast. Now you can use butter if you feel like it. It don't really make a difference in the texture, at least not to me. So I just felt like using vegetable shortening today. And you could use milk rather than water if you feel like it as well. It's up to you. Let's get it started. Okay guys, so let's start by mixing everything together. I'm going to start by putting the salt, then the sugar and the baking powder, and give that just a mix, just to incorporate everything together. Next, I'm going to add my yeast. I typically add my yeast last because like the salt cancels out the yeast, so I rather add it last after I incorporated all the previous dry ingredients. Let's give that. And now I'm going to add my vegetable shortening. And I'm going to use the twisting method where I just break it down. And I twist. Okay, as you can see what I was talking about, everything gets incorporated. So the flour just feels a little bit coarse right now, which is what you're looking for. So now I'm going to start adding the water, a little bit at a time. Okay guys, so there you have it. It's my dough. Now I'm gonna cover this with wet paper towels and I'm gonna set it aside for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to lightly dust my surface, clean surface. Take my dough. I'm gonna cut it. Do the same thing with this other piece. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 19 bakes. I'm going to cover it up again and let it rest for an additional 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. Yes, looking good, looking good. Now it's time to bubble. I'm gonna start frying them. And this is the size I'm really looking for, like the palm of my hand size.